Hello, Namaskar friends. How are you? I welcome you to Rapid 6000 series in which we will cover all the important 6000 one-liner questions of political science in 60 videos. These questions will be covered topic-wise and will be helpful in various exams like UGC NET, Assistant Professor, PGT, TGT, CUET, PhD entrance test, etc. You will get the PDF of all these questions both in English as well as Hindi medium in the description box so that you can take a printout and study at your own pace. So let's start the session without any further delay.
तो अपना पहला टॉपिक है लिबरलिज्म। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु कॉल्ड लॉक एज फादर ऑफ इंडिविजुअलिज्म? हु कॉल्ड लॉक एज फादर ऑफ इंडिविजुअलिज्म? आंसर इज सबाइन। हु सेड दैट द स्पिरिट ऑफ लिबरलिज्म इज बेस्ट रिफ्लेक्टेड इन जॉन लॉक? आंसर विल बी सबाइन। लॉक्स नेचुरल स्टेट was pre-political. Hobbes' natural state was pre-political and pre-social. Question number 5. Who said Locke is actually the original source of English liberalism? It is said by Macpherson. Question number 6. Freedom and dignity of the individual is the soul of liberalism according to whom? It is according to Hobhouse. Question number 7. Who said liberalism is a mix of democracy and individualism? Liberalism is a mix of democracy and individualism. Answer will be McGovern. Question number 8. Who said modern liberal states will become industrial? Galbraith. Modern liberal states will become industrial states. Question number 9. Who wrote liberalism in 1911? लिबरलिज्म बुक किसने लिखी है 1911 में? आंसर विल बी लियोनार्ड होबहाउस। लियोनार्ड होबहाउस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. हु रोट द फ्यूचर ऑफ वर्किंग क्लासेस? हु रोट द फ्यूचर ऑफ वर्किंग क्लासेस? आंसर विल बी अल्फ्रेड मार्शल। अल्फ्रेड मार्शल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Who wrote the Constitution of Liberty? The Constitution of Liberty was written by Friedrich Hayek. Friedrich Hayek. Question number 12. Who said totalitarianism and welfare state are two sides of a coin? Totalitarianism and welfare states are two sides of a coin. Friedrich Hayek. It is said by Friedrich Hayek. Question number 13. Who introduced the New Deal programs? New Deal programs were introduced by F.D. Roosevelt. F.D. Roosevelt. Question number 14. Who said the potential mischief of obedience is less than the potential mischief of protest? The potential mischief of obedience is less than the potential mischief of protest. It was said by Bentham. Bentham. Question number 15. Which report led to the UK welfare state? Which report led to the UK welfare state? Beveridge report. Beveridge report. Question number 16. Who introduced the Great Society programs? Who introduced the Great Society programs? L.B. Johnson. L.B. Johnson. Question number 17. Who wrote Radicalism Not Dangerous? Radicalism Not Dangerous in 1819. Answer will be Bentham. Bentham wrote Radicalism Not Dangerous. Question 18. Who denied the paternalistic basis of the state? John Locke. Question 19. Who said utilitarianism hinders equitable distribution? It means he criticized utilitarianism. It was Rawls. John Rawls. Question number 20. Who said every ideology is traditional? Every ideology is traditional. Answer will be Oxford. Oxford. Question number 21. Who developed the theory of rational choice? Who developed the theory of rational choice? Answer will be Anthony Downs. Anthony Downs. Question number 22. Who formulated the theory of political obligation? The theory of political obligation was formulated by T.H. Green. T.H. Green. Question number 23. Who are the major proponents of legal equality? Major proponents of legal equality, Locke and Bentham. Question 24. Who said the whole political history is philosophy? The whole political history is philosophy. Answer will be Lasky. Question number 25. Who used the term New Frontier in 1960? Who used the term New Frontier in 1960? John F. Kennedy. John F. Kennedy. Question number 26. Who first used the term pluralism? Who first used the term pluralism? Arnold Lasky. Question number 27. Who proposed the concept of piecemeal social engineering? Who proposed the concept of piecemeal social engineering? It was proposed by Karl Popper. Karl Popper. Question number 28. Who gave the night watchman state theory? The night watchman state theory was given by Robert Nozick. Robert Nozick. Question number 29. Who is associated with new institutionalism? Who is associated with new institutionalism? Jean Blondel. Jean Blondel. Question number 30. Who classified non-state actors into three types? Kalevi-Holsty classified non-state actors into three types. Question number 31. Who proposed representative bureaucracy? Who proposed representative bureaucracy? Answer will be Donald Kingsley. Donald Kingsley. Question number 32. Who said society is the third element between the individual and the state? Society is the third element between the individual and the state. Answer will be J.S. Mill. John Stuart Mill. Question number 33. Who said freedom is a social object? Freedom is a social object. It was said by J.S. Mill. Question 34. Poverty is the mother of crime and law. Poverty is the mother of crime and law. It was said by Aristotle. Aristotle. Question number 35. Who said freedom is natural but subject to majority? Freedom is natural but subject to majority. It was said by John Locke. John Locke. Question number 36. Who said freedom means freedom from the arbitrary will of the other or freedom to prohibit binding acts? Freedom means freedom from the arbitrary will of the other or freedom to prohibit binding acts. Answer will be F.A. Hayek. Question number 37. Who wrote Capitalism and Freedom in 1962? Capitalism and Freedom was written by Milton Friedman. Milton Friedman. Question number 38. Who said there can be no freedom without rights? There can be no freedom without rights. It was said by Lasky. Question number 39. It is neither, this is some mistake. We are deleting it. Next topic will be socialism, Marxism and communism. Question number 40. Who said socialism is a color changing chameleon? Socialism is a color changing chameleon. Ramsay Muir. Ramsay Muir. Question number 41. Who said I keep socialism in my mind and heart? I keep socialism in my mind and heart was said by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 42. Who said socialism means nothing rather than equality of income? Socialism means nothing rather than equality of income. Bernard Shaw. Bernard Shaw. Question number 43. What was the main goal of Fabian socialism? What was the main goal of Fabian socialism? Main goal was gradual change It means gradual change to socialism. Question number 44. Who laid the foundation of behavioralism? Who laid the foundation of behavioralism? Charles Merriam. Charles Merriam. Question number 45. Who said the socialist island in the middle of the ocean of capitalism will act as a light beam for the revolutionary movement of the proletariat of the whole world? The socialist island in the middle of the ocean of capitalism will act as a light beam for the revolutionary movement of the proletariat of the whole world. It was said by Lenin. Question number 46. Who wrote Critique of Hegel's Philosophy of Right? Who wrote Critique of Hegel's Philosophy of Right? Karl Marx. Karl Marx. Question number 47. Which book did Marx write in 1865? Which book did Marx write in 1865? The book was Value, Price and Profit. Value, Price and Profit. Question number 48. Who gave the principle of relative autonomy of the state? Principle of relative autonomy of the state was given by Gramsci. Question 49. Who introduced the theory of war between dynamics and situations? Who introduced the theory of war between dynamics and situations? Gramsci. Question 50. Who introduced the concept of cultural hegemony? The concept of cultural hegemony was introduced by Gramsci. Question 51. Who gave the concept of civil society? The concept of civil society was also given by Gramsci. Question 52. Who introduced the principle of factory council in 1919? Principle of factory council in 1919 was given by Gramsci. Question number 53. Which revolution is an example of dynamic war? Which revolution is an example of dynamic war? Russian Revolution. Russian Revolution. Question number 54. Who proposed the theory of socialism in one country? The theory of socialism in one country was proposed by Stalin. It was proposed by Stalin. Question number 55. Who said socialism means nothing rather than equality of income? Socialism means nothing rather than equality of income was said by Bernard Shaw. Question 56. Who defined socialism as subordinating individuals to society? Who defined socialism as subordinating individuals to society? Bramley. Question 57. Who considered state capitalism in 1917? Bukharin. Question 58. Who wrote The Accumulation of the Capital? The Accumulation of the Capital was written by Rosa Luxemburg. Rosa Luxemburg. Question number 59. Who said Indian Revolution would involve proletarian peasantry? Indian Revolution would involve proletarian peasantry was said by M.N. Roy. M.N. Roy. Question 60. Who discussed the existence of a new class in communist state? Who discussed the existence of a new class in a communist state? Milovan Zilas. Milovan Zilas. Question number 61. According to Marx, what is necessary for the liberation of man? What is necessary for the liberation of man? According to Marx, it is force. It is force. Question 62. Who discussed the difference between young Marx and old Marx? The difference was discussed by Althusser. The difference was discussed by Althusser. Question 63. How many forms of young Marx exist? 3 forms. Question 64. Who coined the concept of organic intellectuals? The concept of organic intellectuals was coined by Gramsci. It was coined by Gramsci. Question 65. Who supported the Vanguard Party dictatorship? Who supported the Vanguard Party dictatorship? It was supported by Lenin. Lenin. Question 66. Name a country with a single party communist system. With a single party communist system. The country is China. Question 67. Who argued revolution is natural due to exploitation? Revolution is natural due to exploitation. It was argued by Karl Marx. Question 68. Who said revolution requires ideology and economic factors? Revolution requires ideology and economic factors. It is said by Lenin. Question number 69. Who said communism is a kind of autocratic elite class? Communism is a kind of autocratic elite class. It was said by Raymond Aron. Raymond Aron. Question 70. What was Karl Marx's original profession? It was originally historian. Question number 71. Who propounded government intervention in the economy? Who propounded government intervention in the economy? It was propounded by John Maynard Keynes. John Maynard Keynes. Question number 72. Who tried to mix specific class theory and Marxism? Who tried to mix specific class theory and Marxism? Answer will be Burnham. Question number 73. Who stated millions pray to Marx as a deity and others hate him as a rogue? Millions pray to Marx as a deity and others hate him as a rogue. It was stated by Maxey. Question number 74. Which Marxist first accepted nationalism? Which Marxist first accepted nationalism? He was Stalin. Question number 75. Who emphasized the need of cultural revolution? The need of cultural revolution was emphasized by Mao Zedong. Mao Zedong. Question 76. Who developed the conflict resolution theory? The conflict resolution theory was developed by Kenneth Boulding. Kenneth Boulding. Question 77. Who wrote Eros and Civilization? Who wrote Eros and Civilization? It was written by Herbert Marcuse. Herbert Marcuse. Question 78. Who called Marxism the illusion of the era? Who called Marxism the illusion of the era? It was called by Lord Acton. Question number 79. Who said material progress based on competition leads to further humanization? Material progress based on competition leads to further humanization. It was said by Karl Marx. Question 80. Who wrote The Ruling Class and called free elections as a false hypothesis? He wrote The Ruling Class and he called free elections as a false hypothesis. He was Mosca. Question 81. Who considered the Politburo of highest institution in the Communist Party? Who considered the Politburo the highest institution in the Communist Party? All the Marxists considered Politburo as the highest institution in the Communist Party. Question number 82. Who discussed the existence of a new class in communist states? Who discussed the existence of a new class in communist states? It was discussed by Gillas. Question 83. Who first studied pressure groups systematically? Who first studied pressure groups systematically? It was studied by Bentley. Question 84. Who compared civil society organizations to a system of forts and earthen dams behind the state? Who compared the civil society organizations to a system of forts and earthen dams behind the state? It was compared by Gramsci. Question number 85. Who is associated with the concept of the relative autonomy of the state? Relative autonomy of the state. It was Gramsci. Question 86. According to Gramsci, civil society is mainly related to which origin? Civil society is mainly related to which origin? It is related to consent. Consent. Question 87. Turning imperialist war into civil war is a proletarian revolution in its totality. Turning imperialist war into civil war is a proletarian revolution in its totality. Who said this? It was said by Lenin. Question 88. For whom is the material idea or thought an effective cause of revolution? For whom the material idea or thought an effective cause of revolution? It was for Lenin. Question 89. In which book did Lenin give his idea of party? The book was What is to be Done? What is to be Done? Question 90. Lenin concluded that the scattering of capitalism begins where? Lenin concluded that the scattering of capitalism begins where? It will begin at colonial periphery. It will begin at colonial periphery. Question 91. Who called pressure groups the third house of legislature? Pressure groups were called as the third house of legislature by Feiner. By Feiner. Question 92. Who is considered the forerunner of critical theory? Who is considered the forerunner of critical theory? It was Gramsci. Question 93. How many notebooks did Gramsci write in prison? 30 notebooks. Question 94. What book did Gramsci write in prison? What book did Gramsci write in prison? The book was The Modern Prince. The Modern Prince. Question 95. Who inspired Gramsci's realism? Who inspired Gramsci's realism? It was inspired by Machiavelli. It was inspired by Machiavelli. We know that the book of Machiavelli is The Prince and the book of Gramsci is The Modern Prince. The Prince and the Modern Prince. Question 96. Who controls civil society according to Gramsci? Who controls civil society according to Gramsci? It is controlled by organic intellectuals. It is controlled by organic intellectuals. Question 97. Who said man is what he eats? Man is what he eats. Feuerbach. Feuerbach. Question 98. Who stated that alienation occurs due to a decrease in social norms? Alienation occurs due to a decrease in social norms. It was stated by Durkheim. It was stated by Durkheim. Question 99. Who said historical materialism is the heart of Marxism? Historical materialism is the heart of Marxism. It is said by J. Palantas. Question 100. Who said socialism is a hat? Socialism is like a hat that has lost its shape because everyone wears it. Socialism is like a hat that has lost its shape because everyone wears it. It was said by C.E.M. Joad. C.E.M. Joad. Very important question. So that's it for today. We'll meet in next video and start from question number 101. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Tata.